Deep in the heart of South America lies a world full of wonder and mystery. Welcome to Roger Williams Park Zoo's Faces of the Rainforest. Journey to the depths of the Amazon in the zoo's new exhibit opening summer 2018 for an immersive wildlife experience like no other. Enter through this lush paradise for a rare and intimate look at exotic creatures. Welcome the sights and sounds of the rainforest as you pass by intriguing primates. Witness howler monkeys amongst the trees as they howl loudly to protect their territory, while social titi monkeys yap and squeal in excitement. As you explore further, discover the serene music of waterfalls cascading between the rocks. Discover interesting and fascinating flora and fauna that engulfs you in this world of tropical paradise. Known for their sharp teeth and powerful jaws, piranha hurriedly swim about, while giant river otters splash and play in the water. Known as Amazonian giants, these endangered creatures are known to reach up to 6 feet long. Lurking in the shadows lies one of the largest species of snake, the anaconda. Your adventure of understanding and exploration carries on as you come across new and captivating wildlife. Nicknamed the stinkers of the forest, set your eyes upon the smallest species of anteater, the tamandua. Or listen to the loud frog-like calls of the colorful keel-billed toucan. Engulf your senses in this free-flight aviary full of exotic birds, primates, and even a few sloths. Stepping outside, the voyage of rainforest discovery continues. Considered the most threatened mammal in Central America, giant anteaters have been around for 25 million years. Beautiful Chilean flamingos wade through the still waters, while spectacular flashes of color of the hyacinth macaw are a sight to behold. We hope you embark on this wild adventure with us at Roger Williams Park Zoo's Faces of the Rainforest, opening summer 2018.